Good morning kay Study Buddy. Sa video ito pag-aaralan natin ang rectangle and polygon command. Okay? Unahin natin ang rectangle. Shortcut command ng rectangle is REC or makikita yan sa ating ribbon sa draw panel. Pag kinlik mo yung rectangle, may pull down arrow yan. Rectangle and polygon. Unahin natin si rectangle. Okay? So may dalawang way pag-create ng rectangle, through dimensions and through area. Unahin natin through dimensions. So rectangle, specify first corner point, then type nyo yung D or click yung dimensions, then manghihingi siya length for the rectangle. So ang ating length is 3, ang ating width is 2. So nakapag-create tayo ng ating rectangle with the dimension of 3 by 2. Okay. Next naman natin yung ating rectangle through area. So specify first corner point, then click natin yung area, then manghihingi siya ng area ng ating rectangle. So 6, then mamimili tayo length or width ng ating dimension. So magiging base natin is si length, type natin L, then yung ating rectangle length is 3. So without typing yung kanyang width, automatic kinukumpute na ng AutoCAD yun. Kasi the first place, nag-enter na tayo ng value na 6 na area, and second, nag-input tayo ng length na 3. So kinukumpute niya na para makuha niya yung area na 6. Okay, try naman natin through width. Okay. So rectangle, specify first point, then area 6. So ang kanyang width, piliin natin W or width, then 2 ang kanyang width. Pinumpute niya yung length para makuha natin yung area na 6. Okay? Next, yung width natin. Yung width natin, naka-default ang ating rectangle line width is 0. Naka 0 siya. So gawin natin siyang 0.25. Then specify first point or corner point. Then dimension with a 3 and length with a 2. Okay. So ito yung ating rectangle. Okay? So nagbago yung line width ng ating rectangle. Kanina 0, ginawa nating 0.25. Okay? Next is chamfer and fillet. So ano ba yung pagkakaiba ng chamfer and fillet na yan? So chamfer is sometimes defined as a bevel. Kumbaga nakakapag-create tayo ng 45-degree angle between adjoining right angle faces. So gawa tayo ng rectangle natin na dalawa para mapag-compare natin yung fillet and chamfer. So rectangle with a dimension of 3 by 2, then copy na lang natin. Copy. Unahin natin yung chamfer. Okay? So, shortcut command is cha. Then, create tayo ng distance. Okay? So, yung unang distance natin is 1. And second distance natin is 1. Then, manghihingi yan ng first line. Ito yung ating first line and ito yung ating second line. So mula dito hanggang dito is 1 ang kanyang distance, and mula rito hanggang dito is 1. So gawin natin dalawang magkaiba. Okay, so chamfer. So distance with a 0.25, and yung kanyang second distance or yung second chamfer niya is 1. So first line natin dito and second line natin dito. So mula dito sa point na to 0.25 ang kanyang distance, and mula dito sa end nandito is 1 ang kanyang distance. Next naman natin yung ating fillet. So fillet is a rounding of an interior or exterior corner of a part of a design. So yung pagkakaiba nila kay chamfer, yung bevel, kay fillet, nira-round natin yung mga edges, yung corner points or yung exterior or interior part niya. Okay? Shortcut command is F. Then radius, gawa tayo ating radius is 0.25. Enter. Then select na natin yung first object natin. Okay? So yan po yung pagkakaiba nung fillet and chamfer. Okay? Next natin yung ating polygon. Okay? So polygon, shortcut command is pol or POL, or makikita yan sa ating ribbon sa draw panel. Pag click mo yung rectangle, sa ilalim niyan yung polygon. Okay? So ano ba yung pagkakaiba ng inscribe sa circumscribe? So gagawa ako ng circle with a radius of 1 para lang makita natin yung pagkakaiba nung dalawa ng true inscribe and circumscribe. Okay? So polygon, so manghihingi siya kung ilan ang number of side. So number of side is 8, or gawin nating 5. Okay. Then specify natin yung center point by polygon. Then mamimili tayo inscribe or circumscribe. Okay? Piliin muna natin si inscribe. Then radius ng circle is 1. Then next naman natin yung ating circumscribe. Polygon, number of side is 5. Specify natin yung center point. Then circumscribe or C, and radius is 1. Ayun. So ito yung ating inscribe. Kulayan natin. So ito ang ating inscribe. So ano ba yung inscribe? Okay. So yung inscribe, then ito yung ating circumscribe. Color blue. Okay. So yung inscribe is a polygon in which all vertices lie on a circle. So kumbaga lahat ng kanyang vertices naglalay dito sa circle natin, while the circumscribe polygon is tangent to a circle. So yung mga sides niya o yung line niya is tangent dito, unlike kay inscribe, naglalay siya dun sa circle. So yun po yung dalawang difference ng ating inscribe and circumscribe sa pag-create ng ating polygon. Okay? So that's all ang ating topic sa rectangle and